All right, everybody, it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we have filmed off and on throughout the day. I have been uploading, and so I've gotten some content up today to give you all a sneak peek of what's going on. So Steven started out about 7 o'clock this morning, and it's about 4 o'clock this afternoon. So off and on, we've had breaks. They've had breaks, watermelon breaks, and so forth.
Wee, what do you got? Mouses in your pocket?
So anyway, give us a. Oh, AJ's not in his coveralls. Oh, he's not in the coveralls. We're all gonna need good showers after all this, for sure. Especially AJ. He's been a grease monkey today. So Steven, did you ever think that you would get the seats in? We've had them for several months now. Several months.
Well, the next door neighbor came out with his tractor and cut down all that hay. And when it did, all those corn flies, had thousands of them over here. So I really started hurrying and messed up my drill hose on the driver's side. So
What does that mean? You messed them up.
means I had to redo them.
Twice.
Look at this big old notch right here in this tire.
Where'd that come from?
That's the notch. You can't see it. AJ sticks his head in the way here.
Oh, I can see it.
See there?
Yeah, I can see that notch. I can see
See,
that.
there's one there, and then there's one right there. There's three of them.
And that's why you have to have the tires, the steer tires.
Yeah, so there's not any here, and there's no more past that one. It's just 1, 2, 3. And the internet says when that happens, it's because the bead doesn't seat.
Oh, your eye.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a second.
Whoa! Whoa!
Did you wait?
Look, I'm trying to outrun these freaking bugs, but I'm not standing around for show. The bugs is eating me up.
Oh, wow. So you messed up your drill holes?
Yeah, I messed up my drill hole.
So what does that mean? Did you like make
I gotta get a new wife.
a new wife?
Yep.
Did you do some major damage?
No, I fixed it.
Did AJ help you?
As much as he could, Bridgie.
AJ, did you see your dad get hurt?
He didn't notice.
You didn't notice your dad's eye? Your dad's got a bloody eye.
Yeah, I know.
Did you see it happen?
I didn't see it happen, but I know that it's there.
How did you do that?
I don't remember.
Will, are you satisfied?
Am I satisfied?
I mean,
Well, I'm not done. I still got to hook up the seat belts and plug off the air lines and put power to the seat.
oh, that looks
So-
bad. Well, AJ's had quite the day helping Dad.
Put all those little wrenches down in those side pockets.
Oh, that's right. That's a magnet. Isn't that wonderful? AJ, you don't have to bend over. You can use that magnet stick. That's an amazing invention.
Yeah, well, you put all those little wrenches in the side pockets.
That kind of makes it fun, doesn't it? Like you're going fishing. like
So anyway,
like you're going fishing.
when you get up in there and sit in them seats, you'll think it changes your mind about everything.
AJ's gone fishing for that magnet stick. That's wonderful. That's a wonderful invention.
There you go. And the driver's side's a swivel too.
Oh, the driver's side is swivel too. But you're not going to use it as a swivel.
You have to move the seat more towards the middle of the truck so it has room to turn, and I'm not going to do
And
that.
you don't have room to turn.
I'm not going to do it. I might take these out. They're kind of ratty.
I'm very concerned about your eye.
Don't be concerned about my eye. It ain't going to do you no good.
Well, it looks dangerous. All right, well, I'm going to climb up in the truck. Yes, I'm going to take my shoes off. All right, I got my house shoes on. Steven has a rule. Anybody getting in his truck has to take their shoes off.
Now, where's your soccer bag? Do
So I'm taking my shoes off. And yes, I missed a lot of the action because I was trying to bring a lot of the action to you all. And so I have been in the house uploading videos just so that we can have some news of what's going on. Is it safe to sit in them? Is it safe to sit down?
Sit down.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's comfortable. All right, well, here's the new seats. Are you disappointed that you don't have the room to make them swivel? Would you have liked to have had them swivel?
No, that's not the reason why I wanted them. I wanted them because they were soft and comfortable. And I might be able to delay my surgery until next Christmas. Them other seats were hard.
Yo, how you shut this?
2 days of sitting on those and I'm bleeding already.
All right, well,
Yeah, Beth, how you shut this?
it's been a long day, and I don't know what Steven did to hurt his eye, but it's not good. Plus, he also hurt his arm too. And you hurt your arm. Did you hurt your arm or leg also? Didn't you earlier, right?
I don't remember.
What? Steven is one tough man. He's one tough man. All right, boy, it sure is hot, and we all need good showers. AJ became a grease monkey today for the first time.
There you go.
All right, so you said you still have to like secure them. You don't have them secured in yet.
No, we have them bolted.
Come here, come give me the rundown.
Not me. Talk to Dad.
Well, AJ, please come give me the rundown. Please come tell me what you did.
Not me. Talk to Dad about it.
Camera shy. Sometimes he wants to talk on camera and sometimes he doesn't. All right. Well, I'm gonna climb down. All right, Steven. So, what you haven't bolt them. You had the seats bolted, and now you got to put the power in them. Is that correct?
They're actually comfortable right where they are, so I don't have to put power to them. I will eventually get power to them. I might do it tomorrow. We'll see. But I need to cut the air off that went to the other seats. I have to do that, and then I have to put the seat belts in.
Okay. All right,
So
AJ.
there's two things that I have to do. As far as putting electricity to them, I don't have to do that. They're fine right where they're at.
All right, Steven. Well, why don't you and AJ give us your normal closing out?
Well, Ruthie, I guess we'll do it before you give us another crooked eyeball. And I get ate up by all these cornflies. And AJ pops me in the other eye and get a bleeding eye.
Oh, is that what he did to you? Did he accidentally
Have
pop
a
you in the
wonderful day, wherever you are. Have lots of fun. Don't get popped in the eyeball by AJ like Big Betty does. Or do. God bless.
And later.